Are you stressed and confused about everything? And finding difficult to make any decisions and stuck in a rat race? The Silva Method can help. Do you know what Silva Method is? Silva Method, a revolutionary self-help program created by Jose Silva in 1966. For over 5 decades, it has helped people unlock the power of their mind, sharpen their intuition, reduce stress, boost creativity, and achieve their goals. Through simple meditation, visualization, and positive thinking techniques, you can access deeper states of awareness and transform your life. Today, the Silva Method has touched the lives of over 10 million graduates worldwide, a global community dedicated to personal growth and transformation. To learn more, you are all welcome to join us for a free introduction to the Silva Method. This is a live webinar, which is designed to provide an excellent introduction to the Silva Method so that you can discover for yourself what it's all about and what it can do for you. You will get a glimpse of the powerful, practical, and easy-to-use Silva techniques and principles that have helped millions worldwide, just like you. During the webinar, you will learn the importance of relaxation, and you will be guided in a deep meditation that will make you feel relaxed and good. You will discover how Silva uses techniques to use our brain and mind in a different and special manner that will enable you to find solutions to problems and achieve the outcomes you are looking for, whether it's for health, relationships, finances, careers, or any other area. There will also be a question and answer session to allow you to explore all the benefits of the Silva Method Foundation training course before making a decision. So, if you are looking to improve your life, seize this unique opportunity and register on our website now to find out more about the Silva Method and take the first step towards a more controlled, peaceful, and empowered you. Everyone is welcome. Find the link in the description. We look forward to seeing you all there.